Getting your walls smooth and flawless without those annoying brush or roller marks is totally doable if you know the right tricks. First off, always use good quality brushes or rollers made for the type of paint you're using. Cheap tools just mess things up. Make sure the roller nap matches your wall's texture. A thicker nap is better for rough surfaces, and a thinner one works for smooth walls. When you load the roller, don't overdo it. Too much paint causes drips and marks. Roll in a W or M pattern to spread paint evenly without pressing too hard. Then, lightly fill in the gaps with gentle strokes. Keep your pressure steady and don't go back over drying paint, or you'll leave streaks. If you're using a brush for edges, dip just 1/3 of the bristles in paint and tap off the excess. Avoid brushing in random directions. Instead, paint with smooth, consistent strokes. Lastly, make sure your walls are clean and dry before painting. Dirt or moisture can make marks way worse. One of the most common mistakes with brush or roller marks on walls is using the wrong roller nap. People often grab whatever's cheapest and end up with uneven texture. Fix that by picking the right nap length for your wall surface. Another issue is overloading your brush or roller with paint, which leads to drips and streaks. Just load less paint and apply it gradually. The third big problem is inconsistent pressure. Pressing too hard creates streaks, while too light leaves patchy spots. The fix? Practice keeping your pressure even and slow down your strokes so the paint goes on smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without the headache of endless searching. Contractors also get a steady stream of work from people ready to get projects done right, which makes everyone's life easier.